Well, yeah, and you mentioned Kohl's, and that was going to be kind of the segue is when you think about some of the leadership changes at Macy's, you're also seeing that in other spaces in retail. For Kohl's, we know that they're still going to be trying to backfill for that CEO role that has been left vacant at this point. And so with that in mind, Kohl's, they actually withdrew their 2022 sales and profit forecast in this most recent quarter. Yeah, expected, pretty much.
Outgoing CEO Michelle Gass has left Kohl's a steaming hot pile mess. No guidance, terrible sales, really bad margin structure. This new CEO that eventually comes into them, whether it's the interim CEO, Tom Kingsbury, whether he keeps his job or whoever they bring in here, they might have a full year restructuring plan to get this company fixed because of the mess she left them. Now, we talked to Chip Bergh last week. He defended Michelle Gass. She's going to be taking over as president of Levi's, likely to be the CEO 18 months after, but guys, I don't understand how she got this job. I don't get it. And I love Chip. Big Chip Bergh fan.
Inventory was up as Kohl's as well.
Inventory, although the inventory build slowed, it was only up 34%. It was up 48% last
Relative to Macy's, only up 4%.
Yes.
It tells you how bad Kohl's has been managed.
But Macy's is really the outlier here, to be clear, right? Nobody else that I can remember reported a single-digit build in inventories. That said, most of the inventories we've been getting for this current quarter reporting have been a little bit better than that 34% build. The gross margin did shrink year over year as well. It was about in line with estimates, but still, it's not a great performance.
One tiny point. What makes this quarter even more disappointing, they now have hundreds of shops, Sephora cosmetic shops. These are supposed to be big traffic, sales, and margin drivers for Kohl's. None of that is in these numbers, and that's a big red flag.
All right, we're going to continue to watch that. The beauty category has been one of those outperformers over the course of this last quarter.